Want to install Roblox on your Windows 11 computer? Installing Roblox only takes a few minutes and gives you access to millions of games and experiences created by players around the world. In this guide, I'll show you how to install Roblox step by step in 2026. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the official Roblox website. Sign in to your account or create one if you're new to Roblox. Next, open any experience and click the play button. If Roblox isn't already installed, the website will automatically download the Roblox installer. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Roblox installer. If Windows displays a security prompt, confirm that you want to allow the installer to run. The installer will automatically download the required files and install Roblox on your computer. Keep your internet connection active during this process and wait until the installation finishes. After the installation is complete, return to your browser and click play again, or open Roblox from the Windows Start menu. The application will launch and automatically load the game you selected. Finally, make sure Roblox opens correctly and loads into a game without any errors. If everything works as expected, your installation is complete. You can now customize your avatar, explore different experiences, and play with friends. And that's how to install Roblox on Windows 11. With Roblox successfully installed, you're ready to discover millions of games, connect with friends, and enjoy new adventures across the platform. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.